Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. First off, a big thank you to all of you for the amazing response to our last video on DevOps roadmap. If you haven't seen that yet and you are someone looking to build a career in DevOps, make sure to check it out. I've linked it in the description and in the card above. Now after that video, I received tons of messages and comments asking, what is Prometheus? How do I create dashboards in Grafana? Do I really need to learn monitoring tools for DevOps? So I'm making this video just for you. All the beginners and curious learners out there who want to know what Prometheus and Grafana are, why they matter, and how to get started, even if you have never used any monitoring tool before. Trust me, if you want to stay relevant in cloud, DevOps or SRE roles, these are tools you can't ignore. So sit back, relax, and let's make monitoring fun and simple. Let's go. Prometheus is an open source monitoring and alerting toolkit originally developed by SoundCloud. At its core, Prometheus is a metrics database, a scraper. It pulls data from your services, a time series data storage, a powerful query engine. Instead of waiting for your systems to push logs, Prometheus goes out every few seconds and pulls metrics from your application, databases, or servers. These metrics are like CPU usage, memory consumption, request duration, error rates. It stores them in a format that's perfect for querying and analyzing. Okay, so Prometheus collects data, but how do we make sense of all that data? That's where Grafana comes in. Grafana is an open source visualization tool that connects with Prometheus and many other data sources and creates interactive dashboards. Instead of looking at raw numbers, Grafana gives you colorful graphs, live charts, alerts, custom dashboard. This is the window into your system, helping you understand trends, spot problems, and monitor health in real time. Great question. If you are one of the following, learning these tools is a game changer. Student in computer science or IT, it boosts your resume and shows you're industry ready. Backend developers, monitor your microservices or APIs. DevOps engineers, this is basically your toolbox. System admins or SREs, keep infrastructure in check. QA or testing professionals, check for performance bottlenecks. Even non-tech folks like product managers or business analysts can benefit by using Grafana to visualize business data. Imagine this, your app is down, customers are complaining, and you have no idea what's wrong. Prometheus can detect the issue, say CPU is spiking, and Grafana can alert you in real time. You solve the problem before it becomes a disaster. Some real benefits: real-time alerting, historical performance tracking, better capacity planning, integration with tools like Slack, PagerDuty, and Kubernetes, saves money by preventing downtime. These tools aren't just popular, they are industry standards. Big names like Google, Netflix, PayPal, Shopify, Uber, and thousands of startups use Prometheus and Grafana for real-time infrastructure monitoring. So if you know these tools, you're already aligned with what top-tier companies uses. Let's talk careers. DevOps, SREs, and cloud monitoring roles are exploding. According to job market trends, Prometheus and Grafana skills are in top 10% of in-demand DevOps tools. Cloud native monitoring is growing with tools like Kubernetes, which work hand in hand with Prometheus. So whether you want to be a DevOps engineer, cloud architect, or site reliability engineer, learning these tools is an investment in your future. Here's a beginner-friendly roadmap. For Prometheus, what is a metric? Pull-based monitoring, Prometheus architecture, basic prompt QL, exporters like Node Exporter, Blackbox Exporter. For Grafana, connecting to Prometheus, creating your first dashboard, adding panels and graphs, setting alerts, sharing dashboards. You don't need to learn everything overnight. Start small, build your confidence. Best resources to learn from. You can refer official docs for Prometheus, go for prometheus.io. Grafana, you can go for grafana.com. There are free courses available like Learn Prometheus and Grafana on Udemy, Code Cloud, Free Code Camp. YouTube channels like Tech World with Nana, the DevOps Toolkit, can also help. Hands-on practice to try them on VM using Docker. Use Play with Docker or Katacoda to simulate environments. Let's say you are a student building a project, a blog site. You can add Prometheus Node Exporter to your server, Install Grafana, set up a dashboard to track CPU load, memory usage, website uptime. Imagine submitting this in college project. Your professor will be blown away. Or you are a freelancer monitoring client website using Grafana can become a paid gig. And there you go, your beginner's guide to Prometheus and Grafana. We covered what they are, why they matter, who should learn them, real-world use cases, career opportunities, and even how you can start today. These tools are like eyes and ears of your system. Once you learn them, you'll start seeing software in a completely new way. To wrap up, Prometheus and Grafana are no longer just tools. They are essentials in the modern tech stack. Whether you are building your resume, breaking into DevOps, or just exploring, these tools give you superpowers. Start small, be curious, break things and fix them. That's how you learn. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss practical tech content. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.